बच्चों, हाँ, आज हम सीखते हैं इंग्लिश के अल्फाबेट्स। चलो शुरू करते हैं।
A is for apple, shiny and red, a juicy fruit that's always ahead. E is for ball, it bounces high, rolling and jumping into the sky. C is for cat, soft and sweet, it purrs and curls around your feet. D is for dog, a loyal friend, wags its tail from end to end. E is for elephant, big and strong, with a trunk that's super long. F is for fish, swimming so free, blowing bubbles under the sea. G is for giraffe with a neck so tall, it munches leaves and sees it all. H is for hat, on your head it stays, keeps you cool on sunny days. I is for igloo, icy and round, a snowy house on frozen ground. J is for jelly, wobbly and fun, it jiggles and wiggles for everyone. K is for kite, flying so high, dancing colors across the sky. L is for lion, king of the land, with a mighty roar and golden stand. N is for monkey, swinging with glee, peeling bananas up in a tree. N is for nurse, so kind and wise, helping others with caring eyes. O is for owl, who hoots at night, with giant eyes in silent flight. P is for parrot, colorful and bright, it talks and sings with pure delight. Q is for queen, in her royal dress, wearing a crown with style and finesse. R is for rabbit, hopping so fast, wiggling nose as it rushes past. S is for sun, shining so bright, giving us warmth and golden light. T is for turtle, slow and neat, with a little shell and tiny feet. U is for umbrella, in the rain, keeps us dry again and again. V is for violin, playing sweet sound, lovely music that spins around. Lovely music that spins around, the music that spins around. W is for xylophone, colorful and loud, playing tunes that make us proud. X is for yo-yo, up and down, spinning fast like a circus clown. Z is for zebra, black and white, galloping strong in morning light.
वाह बच्चों, आपने तो बहुत अच्छी तरह सीखा। चलो अब मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। अल्लाह हाफिज।